Alright, nice. Got an intellect. Like, Death Lord is such a huge problem for Freeze Mage, because if it pulls one of your win condition creatures, you're done. Can't win. Yeah. Means he's a great deck to ladder with. I'll save coin. I was thinking about playing some Zoo tonight, but I don't know, I'm just in a Freeze Mage kind of mood.
I'll show them all.
Death does not scare me.
There's that shit. Alright, so like usual, I think the correct play is to get the secret from Scientist and then play Intellect, so you don't draw it.
Is someone injured?
Doomsayer's okay here. And just please don't pull Alex draws or Tony. At least if it draws Antonitus, I can get a couple of fireballs. If it pulls Alex, it's just awful for me. Alright, not the end of the world. He plays Scientist now, reduces the chances that he has. What's it called? Cabal for it. He might anyway. If he does, fuck him. External play. Emperor Thorisan. This is really good because I can get the other Ice Barrier out of my deck. Just drop the Emperor. Maybe this is a mistake. It's not a very good Emperor hand. I did get a free Ice Lance though, so that's okay, I guess. Feeling good about this game.
Do you have the artifact?
Yeah. Feeling better about this game. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the intellect. We play Ice Barrier. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Mind if I roll knee?
Yeah, just keep cycling.
Welcome to the Grand Tournament, champion.
It's a little bit of a problem. Do I want Antonitus now? I think I'll wait.
Let the pain speak to me.
Come on, Alexstrasza. Man, I've drawn so many cards this game. Holy shit. I wonder if these monkey decks play like double flash heal and shit. The dream is that he plays an Akanai right now. That would be amazing.
I must consider.
So I can just get 4 more fireballs in my hand. I already have 1 plus the torch.
Let me change your mind.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, it does 4 damage to me every turn, but he can't heal. It's more important. Alright, my whole hand is damage, so yeah. Let's we'll draw first. I was just about to say, because if it's Alex, I'll just Alex him.
I bring life.
Alright, get that 15 damage in. Wonder if he will be able to survive the infinite fireball train. I don't think so. Maybe though. I'll be pissed if he does.
You require my assistance.
Oh my god, the fireballs. Don't Reno me, bro. I think even if he does, I have enough. Yeah, it was a good thing I stopped to draw. I almost didn't, but I was almost a shitter, but I drew first. You got this, bro. Yeah, he got hot on pretty hard there.
Tazdingo! Yes.
Haha! 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 Alright, we drew well. 8 and 4. Nice. Let's get one more win.